Hello friends, welcome back to InfyGyan. Today in this video we have another very interesting question from algebra. So let's get started by writing our denominators cannot be 0. So I can write here x cannot be equal to 1, x cannot be equal to 3 over 2. Now I can see 2 is common from this bracket. So it will come out as 2 square and 4x minus 5 will be left in the bracket, which is matching with our first numerator bracket. So I can write here 4x minus 5 over x minus 1 whole square plus 2 will come out as 2 square, so I will write 4. In the bracket there would be 4x minus 5 left in the bracket, numerator only, and denominator will be 2x minus 3. Then I will put whole square there, and RHS is 96, which we can write 6 times 16. Now we have to divide our equation by 16 both sides. So I will write here divided by 16, divided by 16, divided by 16. Now this 16 and 16 will be over from our RHS. Now this 16 can be written as 4 square, and once we will cancel 4 over 16 as 1 over 4, then this 4 we can write 2 square. So let me write here 1 over 4 square times 4x minus 5 over x minus 1 whole square plus 4 is there in the denominator. I will consider 2 square in the denominator. Bracket would be 4x minus 5 over 2x minus 3 whole square. RHS is 6. Now I can multiply 4 with x minus 1 as power is same, 2 with 2x minus 3. So I can write our equation 4x minus 5 over 4 times x minus 1, which is 4x minus 4 whole square plus 4x minus 5 over 2 times 2x minus 3, which will be equal to 4x minus 6 whole square equal to 6. Let me write our equation here. Here it is. Now we will consider our numerator 4x minus 5. Suppose this is equal to a. So we can write our equation as a over a plus 1 whole square. Then we have a over a minus 1 whole square equal to 6. Once 4x minus 5 is a, we can write 4x minus 4 will be equal to a plus 1 and 4x minus 6 will be equal to a minus 1. So we'll be getting this equation. Now we know that m square plus n square can be written as m plus n whole square minus twice mn. Let's apply this formula. So I will write our LHS as a over a plus 1 plus a over a minus 1 m and n whole square. Now we will multiply by 2 the product of mn. So I can write a over a plus 1 times a over a minus 1 equal to 6. Let's simplify. Once we will simplify this bracket, we'll get a square minus a plus a square plus a. So minus a plus a will be over. We will get 2a square over. Denominator will be a plus 1 times a minus 1. Using difference of two squares formula, we will write a square minus 1. And then we have to keep power 2. Minus 2 times a is a square over denominator will be a square minus 1. And if I will write 6 in LHS, then minus 6 equal to 0. Now you can see, once I will consider 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to m. Let me write here. Let 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to m. So our equation will become m square minus m minus 6 equal to 0. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation. So I can see the factors of 6 as 2 times 3. So I can split minus m as minus 3m plus 2m. Then we have minus 6 equal to 0. Now m is common from first two terms. We will get m minus 3 in the bracket. If we will take 2 common out here, then we will get m minus 3 in the bracket equal to 0. So from here I can write m minus 3 times m plus 2 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we can write either m minus 3 equal to 0 or m plus 2 equal to 0. So we will get m equal to 3, and here I will write m equal to minus 2. Now m was 2a square over a square minus 1. So we have to solve two equations. 2a square over a square minus 1. Let's solve. I will write 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to 3, and second equation will be 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to negative 2. Now we will cross multiply. We will write 2a square equal to 3 times a square minus 1, or I can write 2a square equal to 3a square minus 3. Now I will take 2a square to RHS minus 3 to the LHS. I will get 3 equal to a square. So a will be equal to plus minus a square root 3. Now we have to solve our second equation. Let's cross multiply. 2a square will be equal to minus 2a square plus 2. Or I can write 4a square will be equal to 2. Or I can write a square will be equal to 1 over 2. So a will come out plus minus 1 over square root 2. So we have 4 a values, plus minus root 3 and plus minus 1 over root 2. Let me write here a equal to plus minus root 3 and plus minus 1 over root 2. Now a was our substitution. If you remember, a was 4x minus 5. So I will consider a equal to plus minus root 3 first. Here I will write 4x minus 5 equal to plus minus square root 3. Add 5 to both sides. We will get 4x equal to 5 plus minus square root 3. Now we will divide both sides by 4. So let's divide by 4 both sides. 4 and 4 will be over. We will get x equal to 5 plus minus root 3 over 4. 5 plus minus square root 3 over 4. Now we will consider our second equation. Here a was plus minus 1 over root 2. Now a was our substitution, 4x minus 5. So I will write here 4x minus 5 equal to plus minus 1 over root 2. Now I will add 5 to both sides. Plus and minus 5 will be cancelled out. We will get 4x equal to 5 plus minus 1 over square root 2. Now we will divide both sides by 4. So I will write 4x equal to 5 plus minus 1 over root 2. So once I will divide both sides by 4, I will get x equal to 5 over 4 plus minus 1 over 4 times square root 2. So we have 4 real solutions. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.